Hey everyone, I'm David, Beauty Director at Sephora.
And I'm Myiesha, also Beauty Director.
It's October. I can't believe it's October already. This month's Play by Sephora theme is your beauty recipe. We're gonna be mixing up ingredients for that oh so good complexion. That's right, we are serving up makeup, skincare, and hair care for a well-rounded, balanced beauty routine.
There's something really cool about this month's box being complexion focused. We actually are giving you a 20% off voucher for your next purchase of foundation, tinted moisturizer, CC, or BB creams. I would recommend going into a store and really getting that in-person foundation match with a beauty advisor. I feel like that's one of the best ways to go, especially if you're curious about formula and all that. We also have something you can use online. I use it all the time. It's our foundation finder quiz on Sephora.com, and that'll help point you in the right direction if you're shopping online.
And as always, there are multiple versions of each box every single month, so you're not going to get everything you see here, but the products you do receive will be curated based on your Play profile. Now, something also of note, we're going to go through all the products this month in the order that you would use them to help you guys out a little bit. All right, I think it's time to jump into this radiant recipe.
Yeah. Action.
Sorry.
I get it.
Sorry.
So we're gonna start with skincare. Our first skincare item we have is Youth to the People. This is the Superfood Antioxidant Cleanser. I think gentle yet powerful is sort of the perfect way to describe this guy. I use it myself and it just gives me a great clean. It's sulfate-free, alcohol-free, cruelty-free, and 100% vegan. It even comes in a recyclable glass bottle. It has green tea, which is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and as the name Superfood suggests, there's kale and spinach, which helps to strengthen and soothe the skin.
So up next is from Origins. This is the Dr. Andrew Weil for Origins Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Soothing Treatment Lotion. So it's a mushroom-infused, very watery lotion, which really helps to calm the look of redness and soothe any stressed skin. And it's great for anyone from dry to oily skin.
Yeah, I'm oily and I love it because it has absolutely no weight, but I'm still getting all the benefit from the moisturization and the redness around my nose and things like that.
Exactly.
So we've cleansed, we've toned. Now we're going to move on to moisturizers. So this is very exciting because it's exclusive to Sephora. This is Shiseido's Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Moisturizer. David and I were playing with this and it has a very unique texture to it. It's a gel, it's clear, it's lightweight. So we thought, oh, it's going to soak right in. It's going to give a very lightweight hydration, but it's very balmy.
Yeah.
It gives you some intense hydration. And that's credited to the whole carrot cells that are added, the peony extract that's added. It's very calming and soothing to the skin. And something you can do too is actually tap it over your makeup throughout the day since it's clear, and it'll help sort of patch up those little holes where you get dehydrated around the nose and mouth and things like that. So really nice to keep this in your bag.
Nice little refresher. Up next is from Josie Moran, and this is the 100% pure argan oil. This is definitely a cult status at this point. Exclusive to Sephora, clean at Sephora. It's a fantastic face oil, hair oil, nail oil. I mean, you can...
Yeah, I pretty much covered myself from head to toe last night.
Just bathe in it, basically. It is fantastic. It's a really great oil that's easily absorbed into the skin. I think it kind of changed the game when it came to face oils because it really showed a lot of people that even if you're oily skin, you can use this. It's actually beneficial and helpful to you. It's filled with essential fatty acids, vitamin E, antioxidants. So it's going to really help with diminishing the signs of aging, lightening those wrinkles down, plumping that skin up. You definitely have it with Josie Moran's argan oil. Okay, so up next is primer, and that's the not so secret ingredient.
I hope it's not secret.
You all know it is a crime not to prime. Primers are there to really prep your skin to make that perfect canvas for makeup application to go on smoothly and to last all day. It's an essential part of a perfect complexion recipe. So the first primer we're going to be talking about is from Tarte. This is the Quench Hydrating Primer from the Rainforest of the Sea collection, and this is exclusive to Sephora. This is a vegan hydrating primer. It's filled with antioxidants, probiotics, so it's actually got some great skincare capabilities to it as well. It also has a really lovely coconut scent that quickly absorbs into the skin. It preps your skin for makeup. It really helps to visibly reduce the signs of wrinkles and pores and all that stuff that you want from a primer while supplying needed hydration, which I personally love. So a great primer, great to use, great to try.
So primers are all a bit different because they're going to do something different for everybody. So next up is our Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is a lightweight gel formula, really great for sort of smoothing over those areas of concern, lines and wrinkles, any pores that you want to sort of minimize. It's been a cult classic for a very, very long time. If you are putting some on, maybe a pea-sized amount, cut that in half. Like you don't need very much at all. And you actually don't have to put it all over your face. Just put it on those areas where you feel like your foundation doesn't really lay as smooth. Maybe you're seeing a little bit more texture. Really great for those fine lines and wrinkles. So use this strategically.
Up next is foundation. So now we know finding that perfect foundation, it is a trial and error process. That's why some of you will be receiving multiple foundations this month in your box so that you can try them out and see how they work with your skin type, whether they have the desired coverage you're looking for, the finish. Some of you are not receiving foundation, but everyone is receiving the 20% off voucher that Myiesha spoke of in the beginning of the video. And this is a great opportunity for you to use this voucher towards your next complexion purchase of either a foundation, a tinted moisturizer, a CC, or a BB cream. Stop into your local Sephora. Receive a complimentary Color IQ service from one of our incredible beauty advisors. They will definitely help to narrow down this search to the perfect complexion product for you. But if you're not near a Sephora or you really like to shop online, definitely check out that Foundation Finder quiz on Sephora.com because it's a super helpful tool in allowing you to find the perfect complexion for you. So I think it's time to jump into some products, all of which, by the way, are exclusive to Sephora. So that's really exciting.
So we have 3 different foundation options with us today. And if you like any of these, you can go into store and get a full-size bottle with that 20% off voucher. The first foundation we have is by Beauty Blender. This is the Bounce Liquid Whip Long Wear Foundation. So we have 40 different shades in this range. When you are going in a store and choosing, you can pick the right undertone, the perfect match. I really love this packaging. Actually, a lot. We are comparing ounces even because we're crazy. Like it even has a ton of foundation. So you're getting the same amount of foundation that's in here and any of these. It's reusable. You can put it in your bag. And what I love about this formula, it's a modern matte. Sort of that matte for everyone. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's going to help hydrate the skin. If you're someone with drier skin and you're just like, oh, I want to wear a matte foundation, but I'm not quite sure how I want to do it, and it's really cool. It actually looks exactly like the little original component. You can definitely pull this off. It has a beautiful 24-hour wear. I'm like jealous of your life if you're wearing foundation for 24 hours. What are you doing? You are having some fun. So again, modern matte, really great for everybody. Has some great hydrating ingredients, so it's going to wear all day beautifully.
Up next is from Tarte, and this is their Water Foundation Broad Spectrum SPF 15 from the Rainforest of the Sea collection. This is a vegan, hypoallergenic, water-based foundation. It's really lightweight and goes very far. So that one little drop is going to give me a lot of coverage. It's a medium buildable coverage. It supplies your skin with a lot of hydration. There's marine plant extracts in here, which is great to help visibly reduce the signs of wrinkles, helps plump the skin. And like I said, it's great for that person who doesn't want to feel like they have foundation on. They really want the coverage, but they don't like weight. Because of the lightweight aspect of this, it's really great for anyone from dry to oily skin as well.
Yes, and for our last foundation, we have something from Makeup Forever. So this is the Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage Foundation. A very traditional sort of matte foundation. I feel like Makeup Forever does that really well. And even though it's a full coverage foundation, it's somehow very lightweight. It has a very unique texture to it. And this is really great because it's going to last up to 24 hours, again, like the Beauty Blender foundation. It has this gorgeous sort of way it flexes with the face because it has Flexi Fit technology. So as you move your face, it's going to move with you. So if you get creasing around the mouth or around the eyes, areas like that, if you're very expressive, like David, your makeup is actually going to stay on and it's going to move with you. So definitely something to try if you feel like that's an issue for you. Okay, so setting spray is our last step. And setting sprays are sort of like the cherry on top of everything. They're really fun to do, I think they're fun to do. And they really just set your makeup up to last all day. So our first one is the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. It's exclusive to Sephora. This is a great all-around setting spray, great for all skin types. It's alcohol-free, so if you're sensitive as well, you don't have to worry about it being drying on the skin. There's never any greasy residue, and it extends the wear of your makeup up to 24 hours.
Up next is from Urban Decay, and this is definitely an iconic setting spray. This is the all-nighter long-lasting makeup setting spray. It's a fantastic micro-fine mist spray, which I really love because it doesn't disrupt your makeup at all and distributes evenly over the face. And it really delivers makeup that looks like it was just applied for a really long time. And I can definitely vouch for that. This is one of my favorites. One of the things that's really cool about this is it features a temperature control technology, which is patented and has the capability to lower the temperature of your makeup, which is a great way to avoid that melt that comes a lot of times from when makeup heats up. It comes off of the face, literally. We all know that. Very cool. Okay, so it's bonus time. First up is from Moroccan Oil, and this is the Night Body Serum.
We also have the Living Proof No Frizz and Nourishing Styling Cream, as well as DP Hughes Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Mask. So as always, you have your playbook, and this goes over the theme for the month. It has some really cool tips and tricks for you. You have your 20% off voucher. Remember, you can use it on your next purchase of foundation, tinted moisturizer, BB or CC cream. A great opportunity to use it if you liked any of the foundations in your box this month. And you have your play bag, which is reusable, recyclable, and very travel friendly.
Don't forget to share your unboxing videos because we love to see them. Just make sure you're using the hashtag #SephoraPlay while you're posting to social media. Leave in the comments section below the products that you guys are most excited about trying out this month. I love to see it. Me and Myiesha will be in the comments section chatting it up with you guys. And until next time, have a great October and we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Who's ready?
I am.
You ready? I'm always running on like 1 bar.
And I'm always on like 10.
Sleepy.
It's hot in here. I'm melting. My brain is a fried egg right now. It's so hot in here.
Oh my God, people make fun of me because I'm always wearing sweaters in the YouTube videos, and I'm like, blame David.
I would love an ice foot bath right now.
Clammy.
Because it's 4,000 degrees in here.
First up is the Beauty Blender Bounce. Ugh. Your next complexion. Blah, blah, blah. See, you add a word.
So
all
true.
falls apart.
One small difference.
Once you add a word, it all falls apart.
And it gives you a medium you.
I told you.
Okay, so up now is bone. No, I don't say that. I don't think you can use any of our bloopers today.